Understanding API credentials and their risks.
API tokens and keys give your app permission to access third-party services. If exposed, others could misuse your account, leading to security breaches and extra costs. Protecting these credentials is crucial, especially in public code or when sharing projects. Let's explore easy, reliable ways to keep your API secrets safe while building and deploying apps.
Never hardcode credentials in code. Use environment variables for local and production apps.
Environment variables are a popular way to store API keys securely. You can set variables like API token or secret key outside your code, typically in a secure config file or server environment. Your app fetches the value at runtime, keeping credentials hidden from the codebase and version control systems.
Consider a backend proxy for extra protection.
If your app runs in a web browser or on user devices, never let credentials reach the client. Instead, send API calls from a backend server you control. The client communicates with your backend, which safely handles the API request using stored credentials and sends back only the needed data. This approach blocks unauthorized access.
Keep credentials secure in version control and deployment.
Ignore secret files and version control by using tools like .gitignore so they aren't accidentally committed. When deploying, use cloud service secret managers or environment configuration tools to inject credentials safely. Regularly audit who can access your secrets and rotate keys if any are compromised for maximum security.